In this training video, we'll be going over programming work authorization for the purpose of previewing it. You want to preview each form. Okay, so these are all your forms. And if you want to preview what this is going to look like, which is within programming, you want to preview it in PDF, you're going to click on Preview Form. Okay, so this is how the form will look in PDF. This is if you email it to somebody or you print it, this is how it will look. So that's your preview form, and that's how you access it from that point. To remove it, click on that button right there. But again, these are all your forms. So let's say you want to preview your antimicrobial form. Now this is under programming, okay? So this is programming information that we're doing. It's going to show up in the projects, but before you do that, you want to type this all in the way you want it to be under programming, and then we're going to preview it. Okay, so let's pick a new form, microbial, antimicrobial, okay? So we're taking a look at this. Do we like how this all looks? Do we want to do some further programming? But most importantly for this video, we want to preview the form. It's in PDF again, okay? So if we like it, we will just click OK. In this case, I'm going to remove it. But that's how you would preview any form that you have that's in this side dashboard. That's how that's done. To your success, and thank you for watching.